Something you are going to love about living in Vietnam is
Here's what 20 quid a night gets you in Hanoi, Vietnam.
$900, bro.
Here's what 20 quid a night gets you in Hanoi, Vietnam. Yes, the boys just got back from the Hajang Loop, completed it, done it. Now we're back to the penthouses. Look at my ensuite, yeah. You've got the bathroom that washes your ass for you. Bathtub, got a shower. Even got a mini sauna. Even comes with another bathroom, air fryer and rice cooker, of course. My TV's got Netflix on it. There's this cool ass park with a basketball court. Even got the little hammocks to chill on. Never knew I needed one of these, but this is definitely one of my favourite things. Chilling on the beanbag, overlooking the view. Also the living room, very spacious, cool decor, and it's even got a balcony. Oh, so it's even got a Japanese onsen spa right inside the apartment. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself now. Just come downstairs of the apartment. It's literally got a fucking steak restaurant right downstairs. A nice coffee shop as well, and a shop right downstairs for convenience.
He living like a king in Hanoi, Vietnam. This is why black people are moving to Vietnam in mass numbers as we speak. Your purchasing power goes sky high. You able to live like a king for cheap on a daily basis. That's 20 bucks a night. We got rent going for as low as 150 bucks per month, all the way up to 900. We're going to get into it in today's video. But when you checking out the amenities, you got a gym, pool, sauna. If you want to eat some Kobe steak, they got it down there for you. You feel what I'm saying? So this is the type of lifestyle we're trying to get into, monetizing our daily life, getting into that content, getting into that making money online type of mindset while upping your purchasing power, living like a king, and increasing your quality of life. You see what I'm saying? Let's tap in. Let's get it.
It's day 4 and the final day of looking for an apartment in Vietnam because I finally found the one, and thank God because I'm tired of living out of the suitcase. So we pulled up at the first spot, and this is a studio, y'all. I was almost getting a little desperate, like I really need to find a place. So I pulled up the studios. Anything that was pet friendly, I pulled up. This next place, you know what? I realized that in Vietnam, they don't care about the condition of the apartment when you see it. They only care about cleaning it before you move in once you get them some money. That don't really work for me. This apartment was nice though. I did like the shower, but it's like nothing was clean, nothing was done. It was mirrors that still needs to go up. The TV wasn't up, the refrigerator was in the box, like the sink was rusty. They're like, no worry, we clean. It's like, presentation is literally everything. But I do feel like this was a decent space, especially for the price. But I pulled up at this next spot. Now, I hate the wall. Y'all already know I hate these floral ass walls. They be having like, there's no reason for none of that, all these colors and stuff. But I feel like as a space and for the price, this was nice. The bathroom was very spacious. Like I did like the bathroom a lot. It has a washer, a sink, a lot of space to like do my hair, videos and stuff. But the room was nice. I like the room. And then they had some like closet space. I don't really know what this whole balcony in the room situation is for. Yeah, but I also don't like that there's no couch. Anyway, we went to the next spot. Y'all ended up talking with the realtors and they found me another spot, and this spot had this huge balcony, and someone still lived here, so I didn't want to like go through their stuff, but like this looks better like if I was to take another video with like the blinds open. But it's so spacious, especially for the price.
I feel like the prices that she coming into right there, crazy, perfect. Anywhere from 400 bucks all the way up to 900. You see what I'm saying? I feel like she complaining a lot though. I feel like she really need to remember that she's in an Asian country and she's getting so much more bang for her buck. She needs to just humble herself. You see what I'm saying? But hey, shout out to her. She's doing it big. She is going to end up getting a spot, as you can see. And this is why black people are moving to Vietnam. We do get accommodated over there. They ain't going to be racist to you. They want your money. They want you to help boost the economy. You see what I'm saying? And if we could tap in and help do that, it's a win-win situation. We get to up our purchasing power, our quality of life, save more, invest more, and ultimately experience more things. You see what I'm saying? Once again, shout out to her. Let's get back into the video. Tap in.
$900, bro. Bro, I'm telling y'all, this crib is insane, bro. $900, bro. $900 for this hoe, bro.
900.
what you paying back home, bro?
Shit. This house probably like a good 2, 3,
Close to 3 for sure. Like
straight up.
the chandelier, you know what I'm
It's
saying?
like $40, so you can't beat it, bro.
Cannot beat this shit,
I
bro.
paid my Wi-Fi up front for like 6 months for like $45, $50, and I got like it's fast as shit. Put it
Bro.
like that, yeah. It's a
Damn, unbelievable, bro.
Hey, yo, shout out my dude Vontae. He over there going crazy in Southeast Asia. Shout out to him. You feel what I'm saying? Me personally, I'm paying $1,400 for a studio apartment right now. He paying $900. He getting 2 to 3 bedrooms in that place. Crazy. You can't beat it. You cannot beat it. Kitchen looking clean, chandelier, nice view, nice setup. He even built a studio inside the apartment. Crazy. You're not getting that in North America. In North America, it's the Matrix. They trying to price you out. They want to keep the rich rich and the poor poor. Slowly but surely pricing out the middle class. So right now, in my personal opinion, this is why black people are moving to Vietnam in mass numbers. Da Nang, Hanoi, and Ho Chi Minh City because of that instant increase in quality of life. You take a few racks over there, you instantly a millionaire. You see what I'm saying? So, hey, we're going to really lock in and tap in and really figure out what's going on over there in Vietnam and figure out why people, not even just black people, are moving to Vietnam in mass numbers. Let's get it.
thing you are going to love about living in Vietnam is just how easy and simple getting an apartment is here. For example, when I was in Japan, just the upfront cost, even before the rent itself came through, I had to pay sometimes upwards of $2,000 just to get the apartment. That wasn't rent, that wasn't anything else. Just the upfront cost to the company, to the landlord, all that other stuff. It was crazy. Now, coming to Vietnam, I was able to get this place, which is so much nicer than anywhere else I've ever lived before. In a great area, for a great price, with great space. It is amazing. And I was able to get it in less than a week. All I had to do was find some places that I liked, choose one, talk to the landlord. We discussed the price that we both agreed on, and that was it. It was so simple, so good. And that's one thing you are going to love about Vietnam. There are so many great places for a good price that you can afford that you're going to absolutely love. And the process of getting these places is so simple.
And once again, my dog got a $300 a month rent apartment in Vietnam, nice city, good space, 1 bedroom, $300. You can't beat it. I'm sorry. Vietnam is number 1. Head to ChatGPT right now and type in the number 1 place where digital nomads are moving right now. Cheapest place for the highest quality of life. Yeah, Thailand gonna be up there. Colombia, Mexico, they gonna be up there. Philippines for sure. But Vietnam is gonna be number 1. And I think that right now, currently, we are living in a supreme window of time where we can capitalize on this opportunity. This is going to allow you to instantly become a millionaire. It ain't too many more opportunities out there right now as we speak. So we getting into monetization online, making that money online, stacking it up, saving it, and moving to Southeast Asia. With that being said, it's your boy, the Plug World. Like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Let's get it.